Need to send money to a friend or family member who banks at Coosa Valley Credit Union? All you need to do is tap on the main menu, click the M2M transfer option, and then verify using the verification method you have previously chosen. Tap New Member Transfer. Here, you just need the first 3 letters of the member or business name you wish to transfer to, and their member number. If the person you are transferring money to does not know their member number, they are able to locate it within online banking. To find their member number, they will need to log in to the online banking app. Tap on the circle with their initials or personal photo. Once in the profile, they need to tap on the 3 dots under member number. Then, tap Reveal. Their member number should display. This is the number you will need them to supply to you to enter into the member number field here. You will also need to select the account type. This can be either a share, which is a checking or savings account, or a loan. Once you've selected the account type, then enter the 4-digit share ID for their account. If they need help finding this, it will be the last 4 digits listed underneath the name of their account when they are logged into online banking. Once you have filled out the required information, you can choose to save this information for future use by checking the box next to this option. Then tap Next. On the next screen, select the account you wish to transfer from, type in the amount, then you can decide whether you want this to be a one-time transfer or recurring, as well as when you'd like to transfer to occur. You can also add a note if you'd like. Then, tap Next. This screen will show you the transfer you just set up, from your account to the other member, their information, the amount, frequency, date, and any notes you added. If you wish to make changes, you can do this by tapping Edit. If everything looks good, tap Submit.